so the 360 is on, so it'll enable you to see in any direction. It's a very windy day, so it's shaking the camera a lot. I don't know if it picks up for you. You all want to know, across there where my hand is pointing, look for my hand in the video, and that's Provo Canyon, and over there would be where we came from, there where you see that Y. I don't know if you can pick it up. If you zoom in, probably you can see that Y on the face of the mountain. Under there is Provo, and to the left of it this way would be Orem, and we came from that side. So that's how far we've come. This way, where you see my hands pointing, would be south, and this way would be north. And what's this lake? What's this called?
Utah Lake.
Utah Lake. So the Great Salt Lake would be further north.
Yeah, the water drains all the way this way. You see it's all downhill and ends in Great Salt Lake. That's its terminus. Now you can see the river right there.
Way in the water.
See that green patch and stuff? It keeps rolling up there. I don't know what it is. Something's playing around right there.
If you look at where my hand's pointing, you can also see an airplane in the sky. It looks like it's coming in for a landing. So it's
Provo Airport's right over here.
cruising altitude. Its airlines is down, its wheels are down, so it's going. It looks like it's going to land. And of course, you can always reference the chart again. You'll be able to see that, so you can always look for information. And there's Sean too. He can also tell you something.
This really would be the best. That QR code, or go to June Sucker. I can't remember where we were. Before all of the diking and levees and ruined the Delta, and then the acupuncture to show how what we're looking at here. It's only been 2 years ago or so. All of the rivers converted back to its natural habitat. And the neatest part is this stretch. There used to be a dike all the way across, literally cutting the lake off from the river, and now it's connected back in. It's a little teeny tiny stretch over there.
And the June sucker that he's referring to is a fish that is native to this lake. And I believe it's the only place in the world that is native, right?
Yeah, it's a trout. There's a better graph down below. You can look at it and see it from juvenile on. But this is, it's historically tens of thousands of years. It used to be millions, and then in the 1850s it went to, kept going down until the 1980s, less than 1,000. It was on the Endangered Species Act. And luckily the federal government in the 1970s did the Clean Water Act, and this has all started it since then, the 80s until now. Try to fight it back.
So I moved the camera a bit closer to downstairs so you can get a better view, and I'm also going to leave this down there so you get a closer view to the water. So now we're underneath where we were standing in this tower. Recording have assistance. It's very tedious. Set up, take down.